Alright, y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little something different on the channel. It's not so much different, but it's going to be a little bit different, right? So today we're going to go over this Bluetooth speaker. So this is Spider-Man, right? And this is the bigger Bitty Boomers, okay? I'm only doing this. I like Spider-Man, I'm not going to lie. I actually have a Spider-Man tattoo on my arm. That goes way back, a little story about myself. I used to be a window cleaner in New York City years and years and years ago, right? So I love Spider-Man. Basically, I was a real life Spider-Man, right? So that's a little background on me. Here's the little speaker. You got your instruction booklet, how to Bluetooth it, and bigger size, bigger sound, right? Fantastic. Now, of course, I already opened this thing. I checked it out. But this thing is super cool. I like it. I'm going to use it. I'm definitely going to have it somewhere. Don't know where, right? So on the back, we got USB. We can put a little SD card in there. And we have our power, right? Well, of course, I already charged it up before the video. So you guys will see this thing is super loud. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We're going to play some music through this thing so you guys can check it out. It's just a Bluetooth speaker. But it's definitely worth it. I think my wife picked this up for me at Sam's Club. So check out Sam's Club. I'll leave a link. Obviously, probably Amazon or something. If Sam's Club, I can't find it. Let's play some music through this thing and get started. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a little demonstration on this. As always, I hope everybody's staying safe. I appreciate y'all keep coming back and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.